Hi guys, today we're busy with the T32 Xtrail. We're going to be doing a rear brake pad replacement, and we're going to be doing it with the Autel Maxicheck MX808. Now the problem with the T32 Xtrail is that you've got the electronic parking brake. So with using the Maxicheck MX808, you're able to get past this problem. Turn your ignition on, go to the brake release function, wait for it to initialize, say yes you would like to activate, say start, and you can hear it release the parking brake, and you can see as well it's turned off your parking brake for you. Touch OK. Then move to the start brake pad replacement. It will initialize the communication. Remember, the key has to stay on the whole time, and if you read the write-up, it says make sure your key stays on until the brake pad replacement is done. Touch yes. It's waiting for the command. I'll say yes, start. Okay, you can actually hear that the brake calipers are releasing. Now your command is complete, so you can touch OK. And now you can just perform the brake pad replacement as though you were doing it on a normal braking system without the electronic parking brake system. So you get your screwdriver and just ease back the caliper so you can push back the pistons, and just make sure that you have already drained the brake fluid reservoir so that there's no excess brake fluid leaking anywhere. And that's a simple process of releasing the system. And we'll do a follow-up video on how to reactivate the system once you've done the brake pad replacement.